Today, we're here with my daughter, Capri Joelle. She's gonna be solving 10 Rubik's Cube solves in under 10 minutes while doing insane yoga poses. Let's go!
And we got plenty of time for trouble. Forget what they say. We gonna drink all the rules away. Standard American trouble. Standard American trouble. Trouble. Standard American trouble. Standard American trouble.
Okay, kids, incredible kids. Capri Joelle is solving 10 Rubik's Cube solves. She's a sub 40 solver. And now she has to go to her first yoga pose, and she's moving kind of slow, so the clock is starting right now. Do y'all think that she can solve it? I don't know, because the clock is moving slow. She's moving slow, and now she's starting to run a little bit. Where is she going? Her mat is over here. Where is the Rubik's Cube? Where's your Rubik's? Okay, so you got to do your first pose. Here's your first pose. You want to see what it is?
I'm really nervous.
Okay, but I don't even know about this pose. This pose is looking kind of crazy. Is this the pose? Is she doing the right pose or is she not?
I think I am.
I think she is too.
I'm so wiggly right now.
Okay, Capri Joelle has 10 minutes to do the Rubik's Cube solve. Is she gonna solve it in the 10 minutes? Done. Here's your next pose. Okay, here we go. All right, we're almost 2 minutes in, maybe a minute and some odd seconds. Okay, here we go. I don't know, it looks like she's going for the Bakasana pose. I don't know, is that a Bakasana pose? What is she doing here? Okay, are you gonna solve this one or what? And are you gonna hold the pose? I don't know, it looks kind of difficult. Wait a minute, you're not even in the pose, okay? Only her arms are in the pose. Is she gonna solve it? Is she gonna solve it? I mean, the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking down right now.
I might be a bit cheated.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna solve it?
I am trying my best to solve it. I'm wiggling so much.
All right. Do you need a pass? Do you need to pass on this one or can you solve it?
No.
This is only your second solve. So, okay, so 40, we gotta go to the next spot. You gotta get the mat. Grab the mat. You gotta go to your next spot. Where are you going? Oh yeah, you gotta go right here to the bench. Right there. In between. Wherever you need to go.
What's the next pose?
Okay, you got two poses. Well, you can do one of those poses on the actual bench.
They're both trees. Okay.
Yeah, so you can do those poses on the bench. Are you going to be able to do them on there?
I'm not doing the bench. I don't want my balance to be so bad. Ah! There's a bee messing me up. Oh, wait.
All right, this is the third pose. This is the third pose. Third solve.
Okay, I like it, Picasso. Yeah, that way.
You guys, it's so hard. I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, I'm concentrating now, you guys.
This is a concentrated? Okay, this is how it looks? This is how it looks. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, Capri Joelle is really trying to solve this. She keeps falling over though.
Why is this so difficult?
I don't know, but you're only on the third solve. and you're still at the mat, and the time is ticking. We are almost at 5 minutes. It is almost 5 minutes. You have 3 more locations. All right, you got another. Here's you got another one. Another tree
it's like a
post.
tree.
Yeah, here you go. Top of the bench. Let's see. This is kind of exciting. I'm trying to figure out how you're going to be able to solve this. She's moving it really fast for her to be able to solve it quickly like this. Whoa. Okay, you fell down a little bit. Let's see whether or not if she can get it right.
This is so hard. Okay.
So hard. You're on your 4th solve.
I know, and it's really hard. No!
Oh my God!
Whoa! That was almost a fall and a non-solve.
No, I'm still gonna do it. Good thing I learned this algorithm.
Which algorithm are you using? Are you trying to figure it out really quickly? I don't know. Let's see what's happening.
Okay, come on.
Are you holding on to the tree post?
Yes!
Okay, grab your mat. Grab your mat.
I believe the next one.
We have to make it all the way over there to the park.
I'm so tired.
She's tired.
You serious?
Come on. You have 4 minutes. Look both ways before crossing the street. There's a car coming. All right. Okay. All right, by the crosswalk right here. Let's see if you can get it. Then you have to go by the flag. So we're here by the crosswalk. Then it's the flag. Let's see if she can solve them.
I know what the next thing is.
Okay, you need another pose.
Yes.
All right, you got 2 poses. Are you ready to do your 2 poses?
Okay.
Here's the cube. All right. We're almost at 7 minutes. 7 minutes. You're at 4 solves. You got 6 more to go.
7 minutes?
Yeah, and so that means you have about 3 minutes left so that you can solve this Rubik's and beat this. Will you win this challenge? Do you think you're going to be able to get all of them in this challenge?
Right now I'm not sure because I'm not doing as good as I usually do, but let's hope I win it.
Is it any harder by trying to do it with these yoga poses? Are these yoga poses making it a little bit more difficult?
Obviously they're making it a little bit more difficult.
But you're done. Okay, so you got another pose to do right here. Find your pose. Which one are you gonna do? Stay right here. Okay, she's gonna come in and scramble it. Mommy's coming and scramble it for you. Okay, there goes Desi. Desi just scrambled it for you.
Wait, this is nice. This is a nice scramble.
Oh my gracious. This pose right here must be the easiest pose ever.
Just laying down.
Are you really just laying down? This is your pose? I think your feet are supposed to be together. Okay, on to the next one. To the flag, to the flag. Okay, the flag's right here.
Pose.
Here's your pose. Here's your pose. You have 3 poses that you could do. Well, 2 poses right here. Come on, you gotta pick your pose. Which one are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna squat first.
Okay, squat. There we go. Let's see what happens. Now you're in your squat. Wow. She's in the squat and she's posing. So that means that she's actually doing a yoga pose.
You guys,
This is like a new way of doing yoga. So if you're doing yoga now and you're solving a Rubik's Cube, it seems like you'll be having a ton of fun.
it's a bit painful, actually.
It's a little bit painful. Hold on. It's almost 10 minutes. Okay, you got another one. Here, pick another pose. You have
that.
2.
I'm doing this.
Okay.
Ants.
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 Oh, ants are coming in. They're trying to take you out of this. They're trying to take you out of the game.
Try not to show weaknesses.
Let's see if you can solve it. Here we go, sub 40s.
No, this is definitely not sub 40.
This is definitely a sub 40 solve. I think so. And your back laying down. This is one of those easy poses that you can just knock it out.
Yeah, but
Isn't your back supposed to be arched straight up? I'm thinking that your back is supposed to be arched straight up.
I have
But we'll see.
No, I'm pretty sure the pose is like this.
Let's see what happens. More ants. The ants are attacking. It's the attack of the ants and the Rubik's Cube. She's being attacked by ants and the Rubik's Cube. Oh my, there is the culprit right there.
I'm trying to get the...
I see the ants. There go one of the ants.
Ow!
She's almost finished. She's almost finished. You literally have about a few seconds left. I think it's about 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds.
No, why are you
You're almost at 10 minutes.
done?
All right, on to the next one. To the park. You gotta go across to the park. Wow. This is really a workout almost. Even just going across the field is a workout. Here we go. We're at the park right here. You can just do it right here. You don't have to worry about getting in the park because the park is locked up. You need another pose. Where's your... Here you go. Here you go.
Scrambling it myself. I did that one and that one. Pigeon.
Pigeon. Okay, here we go.
Scramble it myself. It's gonna be so easy.
Wow, this is pigeon pose right here. She's solving in pigeon pose. This is so amazing.
I'm really tired.
She's really tired. We don't even hear you breathing. Maybe she is tired. I don't know.
Want some water?
She needs water. Bruh.
How many minutes has it been?
It's literally, I think it's been 10 minutes right now. I don't have the timer on me, but I think that it's been about 10 minutes. So now you need another pose.
Need another pose.
Here you go.
I think it's the balled up pose, right? The one that... Oh my gosh. Ah!
Here's your pose right here.
Okay, is this one right here the balled up one?
Yeah. And you have to lean to the other side.
Which way?
That way. That way, this way. There you go. No, not where you... Okay, your knees have to be on this side, but you have to lean to this side. There you go.
Oh,
that's the pose.
This is so comfortable.
Wow, this is so comfortable.
I mean, this is like so easy. Actually, it's not.
This is actually an amazing challenge right here, right?
Rockstars, I'm very tired actually. I can't even look at the cube anymore. The sun's kind of in my face.
All you incredible kids at home, make sure you hit the like button or something. Maybe even drop a comment. I don't know. Maybe pick up a Rubik's Cube and try to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 40 seconds, but I don't know what you're gonna do. But is Capri Joelle gonna finish this challenge in the nick of time? That's the question. She has finished solving all of the cubes
That was all?
and all of the poses.
That was
The
it?
time is, I think that the time, I don't have the official timer on me right now, but I think that the time is a little bit past 10 minutes. So I think you did about 8 solves in 10 minutes or maybe 9.
I just be stacking my chips. I just be stacking my chips. I just be stacking my chips.
Ants everywhere.
There are ants everywhere. Oh, well, until next time,
Rockstars, you want to see what I can do?
what are you about to do?
I want to show you.
And I'm ready. Is this what you're about to show your rock star? Okay, subscribers.
So, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell, just so you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you like this video, make sure you go check out my yard milkshake video, where I tried out this insane milkshake and had a special guest on that video as well. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. CAPRI, bye-bye.